right, y'all, we're gonna get right into it. This video, I'm going to show you how I was able to make $2,600 trading QQQ, and this was done using the exact same simple 6-step strategy that I used through the classroom of over 15 years. Okay, now let's get right into it. Step one, right? Make sure you have a pen and paper because no takers are money makers, y'all. We're gonna be dropping some gems, just letting you know. So the first things first, what you want to do is you need to have some levels on your chart, okay? And I use these levels as I am trading intraday, okay? So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go on the hourly time frame. And on the hourly time frame, my friends, all you're looking for is you're looking for highs and lows. Highs and lows. So you can see here, this is clearly a low. So I want to mark a level here, okay? And what identifies as a level is that the candlestick or price was able to get to this particular point and had a reaction. In this case, it was able to stop falling or was not able to continue falling. So I want to make sure I'm aware of that level. Another one we want to see is levels of resistance or at the top. If price had an issue, it was rising and it got to a certain level and stopped, we want to make sure we're marking that level. And I want to also point out that multiple touches on a level are what we want to see. More than 2 touches are really, really strong levels. So the more touches, the stronger that the level is, because that's letting us know, oh, every time a candlestick gets here, a price gets here, it cannot break through. So on the hourly time frame, mark your highs and lows. And then on the 4-hour time frame, you want to go ahead and tighten up those levels. You want to make sure that they're actually touching candles. So you would move to make sure that they're actually touching the top, the wicks, and they're actually having that reaction on that level. Okay, now let's go to step 2. Now on step 2, what you want to do, I'm going to show you exactly on this trade that we took live in our group. Like we literally took this trade live, and I want to show you why it's important to actually draw these levels every morning, which by the way, I do that every morning fresh for my friends in the academy. I draw them prior to the market opening on all the tickers that we trade, and I drop them in the academy so that my friends in the academy are now able to take those levels that I've already done all this work for them, and they're just simply able to just pinpoint it on, put it on your charts. Okay, so I want you to see how important these levels are. Now on step 2, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have your extend time on your chart. So first things first, you need to go to the session, make sure that you have it switched from regular trading hours to extended hours. And what that's going to give you is going to give you the pre-market, post-market, and pre-market data. Okay, what we're looking at for pre-market highs and lows is this orange area for me is going to be my pre-market area. Okay, and I want to simply mark the highest point that I see during that time period, which is the very peak of the candles. Okay, so that's the high, and then I want to mark the low, so that's very, very lowest candle during that time period. Once I have that, y'all, I want to go ahead and now I want to mark my previous day high, okay, which is going to be this black area. So I simply want to make sure my line is touching the highest point of the price action during that time period and the low here. So step 1 and 2 are complete. Let's go on to step 3. Now with step 3, you're going to need an indicator, and that indicator that we're talking about is going to be the simple moving average. So you go to the indicator metrics and strategies section and you search simple moving average. Once you have added that to your chart, you simply need to edit it and make sure that the input says 200, okay? And you only need 1. So you can just, if you have a bunch of lines on your chart, all you need to do is just click all these off, just to make sure they're off, so you only have 1 line on, and you want the visibility on all of the levels. Okay, now what we want to do with the 200 is we want to be able to identify where it is located. My 200 is white, so I would just want to be aware of where is the 200 right now, because when you're trading, y'all, you're going to only see the pre-market data. You're not going to see intraday. Okay, so you're trying to find, okay, is the 200 above the price, is it below? And you also want to identify it on all the time frames, the 5 minute, 10, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, right? You want to make sure you're aware of where the 200 is located for all of those higher time frames. That was all pre-market prep. Now we're going to get into the area where is the most fun, where the money is happening, is going to be actually intraday trading. Okay, and I want you to see that we're actually taking these trades live. This is not a dead chart that I'm breaking down for you. We actually took this trade live. Go ahead and check that out right now.
Let's get it, T. Let's get it. Freaking night. Now I'm talking my shit. Let's get it.
Up. That's that pivot. Awesome.
She's a scam. There's no way you could win.
All right, y'all. So everything is dropping, as you can see, broken and is pushing.
Just need an entry, y'all. Well, FOMO, you're in that FOMO mode. Be careful, y'all.
Just know you got to take some profit somewhere, cause
I'm away from my entry.
mm-hmm.
I just been in these situations where I FOMO jump in, and you never happen to y'all? Is market's moving, you just FOMO jump in, and then it reverses as soon as it just knows when you jump in. Not
like
today. I wait for my entry, y'all, and I trade for the long term. Come on, baby, break previous candle. Come on, baby, come on, break previous candle, runner. Come on, baby, come on, looking good still. Let's go, baby, you got this. Let that runner run, y'all. Let's see what happens. I'm still in my runners. There we go. There we go, T.
That's how you do it.
That's how you do it, baby. Hold that runner, y'all. I took one more off. I got one runner left. My runner is low of the day target. Let's get it. Let's get it. Best way to be patient. Dig in. Congratulations, y'all. Let's get it, T. Let's get it. Freaking A. Now I'm talking my shit. Let's get it.
Up. That's that pivot. Awesome.
Good stuff, y'all. That's where the hole.
One runner.
That's where the hole, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Congrats. Take a little bit off cues, y'all. We load the day. Hit the profit target, load the day. Take a little bit off cues. If you only got one, trail your stop loss. Let's get it, yo. Same thing with SPY. Take a little bit off. If you only have one contract, trail it. Let's get it, bro. Cause she's a scam. There's no way you could win. Because you don't put in the work and you can't be patient.
All right, y'all. Now let's get into the actual trade and breaking it down so you can know what we did and how this trade played out, right? So now we're on to step 4, okay? Now step 4 is when you're going on the time frames that you're actually going to trade on. I trade on the 2 and the 5. I do the 2 minute from 9:30 to 10 and then the 5 minute from 10 on, okay? And what I want to do on the lower time frame is I want to now go to step 5, which is I want to see a break of my pre-market high or pre-market low. I really do not want to take a trade during pre-market high or pre-market low. Inside of that area is called NTZ. NTZ stands for no trade zone. You don't want to really take a trade inside of those because those are critical levels and we really want to see a break and hold of those critical levels, okay? And this is why, hey, if you learned something new, can you do me a quick favor? Pause. Go ahead and pause for the cause. Give me a like thus far because you have learned if you don't know, I just taught you so much stuff just now, so much sauce to even just give you an idea of how to navigate during the market. So go ahead and hit that like button for me. And if you have not yet, subscribe to this channel because I give lots of videos like this. So if you have not yet watched my previous video on how to actually trade these simple 6 steps, go ahead and watch that video. But I want to show you how powerful this level is. So remember, my yellow dotted line here is my pre-market low. So after we've gotten a break of pre-market low, which is our step 5, we want to see a break of that level, okay? And we want to see that because we want to get out of that NTZ zone. Once we get a break of that level, we would like to see a trend forming, which is step 6. We want to see a trend. We would want to see an uptrend or a downtrend. What makes an uptrend is going to be price rising. So a higher high, higher low, higher high. What makes a downtrend is price continuing to drop, which is a lower high, lower low, lower high. Okay, now we have something here where we did get a nice downtrend, but we did not get an entry. What we have here, what's happening in this area here is what we call a pullback or a retest of pre-market low. And with that, my friends, is where we were able to find our entry into this trade here. So we have the 1 retest candle, 2 retest candle, and then we're going to get our final entry candle here. This is going to be our entry candle that broke right below our retest candle. Our stop loss is simply the top of that pre-market low level here where the candles retested it. And we got this nice push to the downside here. What a beautiful, beautiful move. Like I said, this was a 75% trade that we were able to take live with our friends in the academy. With this trade, I was able to make $2,600 alongside my husband and the friends inside of the academy. We used those hourly levels as we went to take profit, and it was literally a perfect area. We took profit here at this 578.40 using our hourly levels and also the 200 simple moving average. My friends, I want y'all to know that this simple step, like I said, is exactly what I used to leave the classroom of over 15 years. My husband and I are full-time day traders, and we do not waver deliver from this. So I want you to know that you just learned so much. And if you have stayed all the way to the end here, make sure you go ahead and smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, because I'm going to give you more gems like this for the rest of the year. I want to make sure that I help you get on to the next level in your trading journey. Okay. If you want more details, more resources, all you have to do is comment the word trade down below, or simply go ahead and click the link in my description. And as a special treat for you, because you the bomb, you stayed through, you rocked it out with your girl, I got something for you. Go ahead and use the code YT40 to get 40% off your first month's membership. I appreciate you. Until the next video, my friends, I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of the year. And until the next one, I'll see you. Peace out.